On July 29, 2025, something massive shook our planet. A magnitude 8.8 earthquake hit off the coast of Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula. That's one of the most powerful quakes in decades. And it set off tsunami warnings that raced across the Pacific, from Japan and Hawaii to California and Chile. So what just happened? And what does it mean for the rest of us? Let's break it down. First, the basics. The earthquake struck about 78 miles southeast of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky. That's deep in the Pacific Ring of Fire, the most seismically active zone on Earth. The quake's epicenter was about 11 miles below the surface. Within minutes, alerts flashed out. Tsunami warnings for Japan, Hawaii, Alaska, the US West Coast, Canada, all the way to Ecuador, Peru, Chile, New Zealand, and the Philippines. Waves hit California's coast, reaching up to 1.6 feet. In Japan's Hokkaido, they climbed as high as 3 feet. Ports in northern Russia flooded, sparking chaos but also quick action. Now, the impact and the response. Miraculously, no major injuries have been reported so far. In places like Fukushima, nuclear plant workers were evacuated as a precaution. Early warning systems did their job. Alerts got people moving, and in most areas, those tsunami warnings were later downgraded. But as always, the science had to contend with a wave of myth and rumor. Some people pointed to the so-called New Baba Vanga prophecy, which supposedly predicted a tsunami in southern Japan for July 2025. Social media lit up with panic and trip cancellations, but authorities stepped in, reminding everyone, it's science, not psychics, that keeps us safe. Let's get real for a second. Earthquake and tsunami forecasts depend on seismic sensors and high-tech ocean buoys, not ancient prophecies or manga predictions. Yes, there's a famous manga, El Futuro que Vi, that fans claim foresaw a quake like this. But the real science of predicting earthquakes? We're still in the early days. We can't forecast where or when a quake will hit with precision. What we can do is react fast when they happen. And that's exactly what these warning systems did. So what's the takeaway? Early warning systems save lives. It's crucial to follow official sources like the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center or Japan's Meteorological Agency, especially if you live anywhere near the Pacific Rim. Big events like this are a wake-up call for everyone to stay prepared and informed. If you found this helpful or want the latest updates on Japan, Hawaii,